Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this mystery makeup box from eBay. I wanted to start doing some different unboxing subscription videos for you guys besides Ipsy. So I had seen that eBay offered mystery boxes for like pretty much any category you can think of. So I'm like, it'd be cool to see what these mystery makeup boxes are all about, see what comes in them, if it's a good value, everything like that. So I thought this would be a cool one to share with you guys. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what is inside my mystery makeup box from eBay, then just keep watching. So before I get into what is actually inside this mystery box, I just wanted to pull up the listing on eBay so it's actually right there. The company or the seller that's offering this particular mystery makeup box is Perricone Cosmetics. They have their little sticker right on top of the box. This box is $44.99 and then it's telling me it's $10 shipping, so it could vary depending on where you're located. So we'll just call it a $50 mystery makeup box. And then I just wanted to pull up the item description. So it says that the total value of each box is up to $106. So that's not bad. And for this specific box, January's box, it says, in celebration of this year's holiday and our 10,000 plus feedback. So maybe that's how many people gave them feedback and ratings on eBay, I'm assuming. We are offering these amazing mystery boxes which contain brand new products. All of them are your favorite items from the most premium brands, Perricone Md, Too Faced, and Pew, etc. I don't know what that brand is, but I definitely know what Perricone Md and Too Faced is. So I am excited to see what's inside this box, so let's get into it. This is what like the packaging looks like for the first product, so it's really nice. I like that they kind of organize everything and they don't just throw everything into the box. So it comes with these like little pink pouches. So this first product is the Perricone Md. This is a full size. We are going to look up how much these actually go for once I'm done going through everything, and we'll total up everything as I usually do. So this is the Perricone Md Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment, a non-rinse dual cleansing treatment and makeup remover to purify the skin. So on the back it says that there's 3 action steps to this. I just want to give you guys some more information about this product. So the first action step is that it is a biospecific cleansing which targets only skin impurities without stripping essential oils. Step number 2, or action step number 2, is that it micro traps, it purifies pores and lifts and traps debris. Purifies pores and lifts and traps debris. That's like a mouthful there. And then action step number 3, hydrofusion. It preserves skin's balance with enriched water. And then it says the results: micellar technology traps debris, unveiling instant radiance, softens and smooths skin texture, and leaves skin fresh, healthy, and glowing. So that's just a little bit of like what it says on the back. Now onto the second pouch. I believe this is all Too Faced products, so I don't think that other brand that I said earlier that I couldn't pronounce, or maybe it is in here. I think we'll start with these first. So the Clé de Pew, I can't pronounce it, but they're basically just like beauty sponges. So I'll see if I can look up the value of these. So they're just 2 beauty sponges. And then everything else in this little like pink pouch is Too Faced. First Too Faced product in this pink packet, as you guys can see, it is a Too Faced lip gloss set. And this is their Better Not Pout, but if you do, keep it glossy. And the colors are Peppermint Bark, Eggnog, Spice Cake, and Sugar Plum. I'm curious to see if these like taste like the actual names. I'm really curious because Too Faced is known for, or even smell, maybe more smell, not taste, but it would be cool if it did taste like it. Not that I taste lip glosses or anything, but yeah, you guys get the gist. Too Faced is known for like their eyeshadow palettes, for example, smelling like cocoa. Maybe we'll actually like test this out and see. I just want to see like if they maybe smell like them. Now, if I had to guess for this like little holiday set, I'd say this is probably retails about like maybe $20, $22 if I had to guess. I think this is, oh, it's so cute. It's got like little peppermints on the handle. It's so cute. If I can get this open, let's see. I'm getting a little whiff of peppermint. Let's smell another one. So this one is the Eggnog. I'm gonna just smell all of them, you guys. That definitely smells different. I wanna do one that would be like really distinct. Spice cake. Let's smell this one. I don't know. I mean, I feel like they do smell like the actual names, but they're very minimal. They're not like overpowering. And then this one is Sugar Plum. This one I can definitely smell. I like this one. This one smells the best. So yeah, this is like a pink gloss. I mean, they're all pretty sheer. They're just like really sparkly, pretty lip glosses. Perfect for like, you know, just to like throw in my purse or anything. So that's really cool. Again, if I had to guess, I would say that like something like this retails for about like $20 or so. So we will check it up shortly. So next is this full-size Too Faced Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Lawn Wear Lipstick. I'm obsessed with the Sweet Peach line. That's super cool. They included a lipstick. So this is in the shade Everything is Peachy. Let me open it up and see. I don't think I own any lipsticks from this line, but everything else like powders, blushes, bronzers, and even the eyeshadow palette I own. So it's just like a really like pretty peachy orange color, but it's not like too overpowering. This would be really pretty for the summer. I think it's actually brighter in person than it is showing up on camera. So this would definitely be pretty for like the summer with a tan. So that's really cool. And this is like really beautiful packaging. I really love this Too Faced packaging. It's got a little peach there. And then lastly in this packet, and this is the last product, so it's not a lot of products, but we will add up the value. It is, I want to say this is like maybe like a travel size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's just a smaller one. So this would be perfect for me, especially when I go on vacation. I know I say that in a lot of my videos. If I'm going for like a couple weeks or like a week or two, this would be the perfect size to bring. And then I don't have to bring a big one, or say I just want to throw this in my purse for days that I'm on the go, need to put mascara on. This is a good one. So I was able to find this on Sephora, and it goes for $45. But I was getting a little bit confused because the name of this now is the No Rinse Micellar Cleansing Treatment. They don't call it the Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment anymore because that's Sephora's website. And then if you see then and now, so basically they just did a whole like repackaging of it. So this is the old packaging. But besides the point, this still would retail for $45. So I did find that. So I was able to find this on Sephora's website, but it's like the JCPenney Sephora website. And this was $25. Now it says it's on sale for $15, but it's out of stock. So it probably sold out immediately. But during the holidays, it was $25. So I was about right for that. Then on the same Sephora website through JCPenney's, this is $13. And then lastly, on the same Sephora website, these lipsticks retail for $21. Just totaled everything up, and we are coming out to $104. I'm not sure about these two little makeup sponges. So without the makeup sponges, it's $104, which still isn't bad for a $50 box. You're getting double that. And I do like that I got like what, 4 Too Faced lip glosses, a full-size Too Faced lipstick, and then the travel mascara of Too Faced, and then this $45 Blue Plasma Cleansing Treatment will definitely get used. Perricone Md is a really high-end brand along with Too Faced. So overall, I do think this is a pretty good mystery box from eBay. Let me know in the comments down below, have you guys ever tried any mystery boxes from eBay? Have you tried any makeup mystery boxes? I'd be curious to find out. I will have this one linked down below if you guys are interested, and I probably will still keep getting these mystery boxes. I kind of like being surprised, to be honest with you guys. There's no like profile or quiz or anything like that, so it's kind of cool. Anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.